Whoa. How'd you get in my house?
I'm Davidson. Worked here for 4 years.
Who?
We've met 4 times before, sir. I was employee of the month last month.
What month is it? June?
November, sir.
Oh, sorry. I remembered a funny joke. Anyway, what did you want from me?
I was wondering if I could get a raise.
A raise? When I first started working here at the Boise Milk Company, I wasn't even paid. I wasn't even hired. I was forced to be here. Now look at me. I'm the damn CEO.
I'm really grateful you hired me, but I could really use the money.
Look, I really want to give you this raise. I'm a generous guy, and you can ask anybody about that. But I need to know if you can put in a good day's work, if I can even trust you.
You can count on me, sir.
I'm going to give you one chance, Mr. Davidson. Screw this up, and you are fired. There's no room for mistakes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Just give me a high five.
Isn't that a little unprofessional?
Nope.
Okay.
Psych. You're driving.
Okay.
So where'd you bring your cat?
Yeah, he has a name, you know. It's Austin. You know, he's very precious to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's also my son's name.
Oh.
Yeah, if you didn't know. Yeah, you know, being the CEO, you don't get much time to spend on things that you'd like. You know, no family, No fun, no friends. Only milk. And this is just the next best thing.
Oh. Sir, can I ask why we're here?
It's about time you asked that, you stupid freaking idiot. This is the house of our biggest potential client, Mr. Warberg. Yeah. I want you to go in there and give the pitch of your life. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Your goal is to get the extended delivery contract signed.
The extended delivery contract?
Yep.
No one's been able to sign that in 27 years.
47, actually.
Oh, gosh.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to go in there for your moral support. And that is it. You're on your own, soldier, once you're in there.
Thank you, sir.
No. Thank yourself.
Hey, fellas. Oh, hey,
Howdy.
Kamer. What are you doing here?
Business.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Brad Davidson. I'm from the
Okay.
Boise Milk Company. I'm here to sell you an essential deal on a great service.
Okay. What's the service?
It's about milk.
Milk. Oh, okay. Milk. Gotcha. Guess we'll just go to the basement to talk about it. Come on in.
All right. Thank you, sir. Nice house you have here.
What can I do for you, fellas?
Well, sir, I'm here to talk to you about this. Our service, if you agree to accept, will deliver straight Boise milk straight to your mouth. Doorstep. By signing the terms and conditions below, you agree to the terms and conditions in the contract. So, Mr.
It's Warberg.
Mr. Warberg, so how does that sound? Straight Boise milk to your mouth every morning.
Warberg. And I'd say that sounds like a convenience. See, there's a phrase, that phrase, actually, is in both Paris, France and Paris, Kentucky. Ask Kamer over there, because he knows how cultured I am.
So what do you say? Can I get you to sign this?
All right. Come on over.
Do you need a pen?
Do you know what this is that you put your little bent up contract on?
No.
This is the finest pig leather of Sweden. They get this from the inner thigh, okay? It's very hard to do. You want to know where I got this from?
No, sir.
I got this at the Blue Light Special. A little thing called the Blue Light Special at Kamer for $19.95, big boy. And you just threw your little contract on top of it like it's nothing. Like it's nothing.
Sir, could I just have you sign right here?
Get that out of here. Buddy, you think I'm just going to sign this without knowing what's in it? I can't just sign something without knowing it's there.
I just need you to
So
sign
you're going to, no, you're going to sit here with me while I read through this whole thing.
That's a lot of pages, sir.
I'll be done in a jiff. I'm already on page 10. Real page turner you got here.
Well, it's our company policy. Good reads equals good milk.
Sir, I need you.
Where's your restroom?
Round the corner.
All right.
Are you almost done?
What? Are you kidding me? Over here asking me if I'm almost done. This is your fault. You're the one who made this. What's this line here? Big, beefy boys. I'll tell you what I'd like better. Baby back, baby cow's milk. That's what I want. Baby back, baby cow's milk.
No!
That sounds better.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Sure. Baby backs, baby cows.
No! 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 You know what? I'm sorry, but it has to lead to this.
What are you doing, Davidson? I just wanted baby backs, baby cow's milk.
I'm doing this! How about this? How about this? You see this? I'll do it!
Chill.
I'll
man.
do it!
It's obviously just a spoon in
Oh,
your pocket.
you think it's a spoon? I got it! I got it out! You see this? I got it! I'll piece you! I'll piece you, buddy! I'll piece you! How about it?
Davidson, there's no hand soap. I'm not coming out there with potty fingers.
I'm tired of this. You know what? Ah! I'm tired of this. And you know what? I'm not even gonna scuff my J's over you. This is outrageous. Outrageous. You come into the Warberg war room. That's right. 2 wars. Double the war. No peace. Let's go, big boy.
Uncle! 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 Uncle!
I'm not your uncle, boy. I'm your daddy.
Oh, God! I'll show you this move. How about that?
Warberg, enough. Come on, Davidson. Got some explaining to do.
Kamer, you still got me on some milk, though, right?
So it was all a test.
Yes, Davidson. Unfortunately, you failed.
Oh. I'll clear up my desk by tomorrow, I guess. Damn it, I thought I could do it. How am I going to explain this to my son?
Son?
Well, I guess I haven't really mentioned to him. I don't get to see him a lot, you know? He lives in Sweden with his mother. And I thought I could move to Boise to support him, you know, be a family man. But it doesn't help that the distance so far.
Why don't you just visit them?
Sir, I can't. Times are tough right now. I simply can't afford it. And the money's just not there.
When we met this morning,
Sir, we met 4 times.
I saw you as just another employee, but it's different now. We may have more in common than you think. I may be richer than you. Like,
Yeah.
I'm talking way richer. Like, I'm talking like way richer.
I understand,
like
sir.
Playboy rich.
Yeah,
Like, I've been bald.
I understand.
But underneath all that, we want the same thing. I don't have a chance, but you do.
Mr. Kamer, what are you trying to say?
You're a good man, Davidson. You got the cojones to get the job done. By any means necessary. How about a second chance? We're opening a new branch in... What country again?
Sweden, sir.
Sweden, right?
Yeah.
How would you like to be the manager?
I don't know what to say.
Say yes.